Guys, welcome back. Hai channel lamsago sungtini tagi video tu hega kaisa investment ni plan no gagai tamo bojaga investment khanya ni gaga banalini sung kaisa private sector ni number 1 leader choli tongo bo a company gabo sector rong ganya lini sung ka airlines bo company bisi airport do nukjak kai nukma khana indigo no bisir bak tabuk top leader number 1 choli tongo airport ni flight do kanyorok indigo company o investment khalanya gagai bank di khalanya nang gagai abo nongno sanai gai bo kaisa share market o listed jak company paina gagai boro thana mangnai gagai singa bo tabuk nalenya bin share rok kusuk choli tong singa bo tabuk nanya gagai nor numo makada Interglobe Aviation Limited ni bini market o listed mung jak kai tabo current market price ke bi bungno choli tong acholiso bimung choli tong tini minus reka de 130.2.6% minus thang tong down thang tong tini nok numa khana hang market o choli tong record khamini tini so gagai maximum 6 mano busu kang gagai 6 mano gagai 37 return reka gagai airpore maximum 5 year on gagai busu kang kai nok numa na 5 year on gagai 150 point reka desun bisi gagai maximum gagai maximum all time gagai 300 bimung na 400 kaisa return reka person gagai bin market cap nok mana bin market cap gagai 1.86 lakh crore jak nomakna gagai norok jaga bono o share pai investment khanya kai mano bini company no gagai norok boni top o sector ni leader number 1 norok nomakna bini sector ni number 1 obo lead khai tongo erpore second SpiceJet ekdom ongonongjak tamhnai luno borok ekdom ongjak profit net loss chogijak so bini sector ang number 1 bono choli tongo nokno mankana erpore ko Jetway rok Tata Enterprise rok Ofcom rok erpore quarter and quarter onali sing profit bisuk bini tong gainor nung mankana quarter rong kai tanai quarter ro 27 crore profit ningjak after tax ni pore paibe erpore 1800 bimun 1900 crore kahai erpore 3000 crore kahai profit and final profit ong kakai jono khona yearly kakai yearly wo profit kakai yearly no busuk profit no kai pulia to bo minus loss to mani net erpore aste iko nukna norok 8000 profit khai erpore 7000 ni bisi profit tabuk profit o company o phaika jabon pore bini shareholder rok nainai nongma khana shareholder o promoter 57 2.9 around FI rok ngakai 23 erpore DI ngakai 15% and public pane only 3% public rok asuk jariskri o onko actually kai paya gajak semiaba asuk DI rok bisi mal tisa jakta proful bisi khayuta leke investment kai kai mano tata kai ba dimen account khuloi share no pai holding kai mano yearly ane bosor toni mano ta company ko nang kai no profit thangano but disclaimer nanai norok pani musung kai ta padi nong icha but norok investment khlanya kai omo idea chawo actually kai nong icha nor khanya musung kai khanya musung kai ta kadi so tini baga asuna video next video tebo tubnai nok nai tungni channel